Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. This time I will be reviewing the Caseology Nano-Pop case for your device. I have used Caseology before. I have used the Nano-Pop case before for many different phones. Caseology makes some great cases for many different devices, so I don't expect anything different here. Like we normally do my case reviews, we make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Does it add bulk to your phone? Do you get camera protection? Do you also get the lip protection you look for your display? Does it fit really well? And you know, just normal things you look for in a case video. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. It comes in many different colors. I decided to get the blue and gold, or blue and yellow. It looks like one of my favorite college football teams out there. Bam. And it matches the phone pretty well too, considering I have the titanium yellow. So nice packaging from them. They are a sister company of Spigen, so the package is pretty simple. Looks very similar to, you know, their sister company. It says a gift for you for a fresh start. So you have some wipes and a microfiber cloth, so you can always keep your display clean there. First thing I noticed is these little patterns on the inside, but also the grip that you get on the side. You have some Caseology logo there too. But let's see how this thing fits. Look at the precise cutouts for the camera. So you get precise cutouts for the camera there, and you have a lot of camera protection. The lip action, not so much. I mean, it's very minimum on the top and the bottom. I will not lay my phone down really hard or slam it down, but you get some protection there. I would also rock a screen protector for you if I was you with this case. But the first thing I noticed is just the grip. You're not going to lose the grip on this phone. I mean, on this case. So definitely a grippy case. The power button feels nice and tactile. Not bad at all. The volume rockers feel really great too. Oh, that's nice. So the buttons feel really good. Everything lines up at the bottom here. You have all the cutouts. The pen is easy to get out too. Also at the top, everything lines up pretty well. The one thing I noticed too, it doesn't add bulk. It's like not a bulky case at all on either side. Look, bam. So from the side view, you can tell that doesn't add really much bulk to your phone. I do love this blue and yellow combination there. Look at that, blue and gold at the bottom. Now, can your wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem wireless charging, but let's find out. And then also, let's check out the fit before we do that. The fit is pretty snug, a little loose at the bottom, but you have all these cutouts, so not bad at all. The sides, not bad either. And if you're trying to take this off, it's not. It takes some work to get the case off. So again, I say this in every video, is that when you drop your phone, the phone won't come popping out the case, which is very important there. So you have some play there. It's not just easily coming off, but it's not super hard either. So now, can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge without any issues, without, you know, any problems there too. So let's just recap. You get extra grip with this case here. I love the grip that you get on there. The power buttons feel really good. The volume rockers are nice. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything at the top lines up. The size, not bulky at all. Great camera protection. The only complaint I really have is the lip protection you get at the top and the bottom, but it could be better, but it's not bad though. One thing you can notice is that you can rock this case every day, all day long, and it won't get bulky on you and fit good in your pockets and maybe even your purse if you're a lady. But if you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.